done, Zoo. Now, what do you want to do today? It's the last day of school holidays, so we can do whatever you want.
Thanks, Grandpa. I'd like to go to the park.
That's what I wanted to do too.
We can play football. And tennis.
Come on, Zoo. Better see what Grandma wants.
Come on, Puck.
I just wanted to tell you I'm throwing your old waterproof away. It's got a hole in it.
Well, I can put a patch on it.
You've plenty of others. It's going in the bin.
Oh, all right, you win. I know when I'm beaten. Come on, Zoo. Let's go and have some fun.
Bye, Grandma. See you later.
Bye, you two. Have fun.
So, Zoo, what do you want to play first?
This.
Hey, I wasn't ready. Okay, Zoo. Whoa.
And that point goes to Zoo, the best tennis player in the Zebra League. And Wimbledon has a new champion.
Not yet. Oh.
Hey, come back, ball.
It's a bit windy.
I think the wind is playing with us. I wish it would play with someone else. Gotcha. I think we best stick to football, Grandpa. The ball is heavier.
Good idea, Zoo. The football won't blow away so easily.
Let's make a goal, Grandpa. Can we use these?
Good idea, Zoo.
You can be in goal first, Grandpa.
Okay, Zoo. Ready when you are.
And it's a goal kick to Zoo. Yes! The Wonder Hoof Zoo does it again.
I wasn't quite ready. Now, come on, try it now. And Super Goalie saves it.
Okay, Super Goalie, but you can't stop this one. Huh? What's happened?
It's the wind again, Zoo. Try again.
Hey! Come back!
Give it a good kick, Zoo. Oh.
This isn't fair. It's school again tomorrow. I just wanted to have fun today.
There is another way to have fun, Zoo. We can play with the wind.
Huh?
I'll show you back at home. Come on.
What are you looking for, Grandpa?
Oh, you'll see soon. I know it's around here somewhere. Ah, this is it.
It's a kite! Yippee!
Yes, and not just any old kite. Oh, I had so much fun with this when I was your age.
Now we can play with the wind. Let's go back to the park right now.
Zoo! Oh, no, Zoo, we can't use this. Oh, I'm sorry. I wanted us to have fun on your last day.
You know, Grandpa, the hole isn't so big. Maybe we could put something over it.
That's a good idea, Zoo. But I don't have anything.
We could use your old waterproof, the one Grandma put in the bin.
Oh, good thinking, Zoo. Let's get it before the bin zebras take it away. Oh, no. It's gone. We're too late.
No, Grandpa. Here it is.
Come on, then. We've got work to do. You know, Zoo, there's enough material here to make a whole new cover for the kite.
Really, Grandpa?
Yes, it's going to be like new. OK, Zoo, can you draw around the kite to get the shape, but a bit wider than the kite?
All right. Like this.
That's it, Zoo. We need the extra material to fix the kite properly. Oh, now, these are very sharp, Zoo, so I have to do this bit.
OK, Grandpa.
Hold this for me. Come on, then. Let's make some tails, too. There we are.
Wow! It looks new.
It is almost. Oh, we make a great team, Zoo.
Yeah! Grandma!
Oh, what a lovely kite. My, is that your old waterproof?
Yes, we made a new kite cover with it.
Well, I never. You clever pair.
I said it still had life in it. We're going to the park to try it out.
OK, you two. Have fun.
Hold it high like this.
Whoa!
Oh, steady.
Wow! That was strong.
Yes, it was. Are you ready? Let's run together. 1, 2, 3.
Oh, no.
It has to be higher to catch the wind.
Woo! Yay! Look at it go! Thanks, Grandpa. It's too high. Hi, Zach. You bought your kites too. Yes, but it's really windy. Oh, no! It's stuck on the lamppost.
Seems like you need a helping hoof.
I think we do.
OK, Zoo, we can do this together. Ready?
Ready. See that? It moved! I saw it!
OK, Zoo. And again. This should do it, Zoo.
Wow! Hooray! Hooray! Thank you! Ready for a kite race, Zach? Yay! Hooray! This is my best last day of school holidays ever. And mine.
This is the day the much-anticipated zebra comet appears in the sky 80 years after it was last seen.
Wow! I mean, wow! Double wow!
I remember the zebra comet the first time. I was about your age. It looked beautiful as it travelled across the night sky.
That must have been amazing, Nana.
Through a telescope, the comet can clearly be seen with its fiery tail made from ice and dust.
Grandpa, I wish we had a telescope so we could see it properly.
Oh, that's an idea, Zoo. We can make one if you like.
Oh, can we, Grandpa? That would be great.
Oh, yes, do. It would be so nice to see it close up. Last time we had a party. The whole family came. It was wonderful.
Why don't we do that too? Have a comet party.
Oh, yes. That's a great idea, Mum.
Well, in that case, we'd better go and make our telescope. Come on, Zoo.
OK, Grandpa.
And we'd better get started on the party food.
Oh, I know just the thing we could make.
Will we have time to make the telescope before the comet comes, Grandpa?
Oh, I'm sure we will, Zoo. But we'll have to work hard. This old pipe's what we need.
Hello, Puck. Hello. Hi, Elzee. Hi, Zoo. I didn't see you there. Isn't it exciting news about being able to see the comet tonight? Yes. Grandpa and I are making this into a telescope, so we can see it better. You can come round and use it too. We're having a comet party. A comet party? I'd love to come. Great. It's going to be so much fun. What are you doing, Grandpa?
Oh, I'm taking the lenses out of these magnifying glasses to make our telescope.
What's a lens?
They're like the eye of the telescope. They make the comet look bigger so we can see it clearly.
Wow, you're very clever. Yes, I've got the cleverest grandpa in the whole world.
Oh.
I have to tidy my bedroom, but I'll come back for the comet party. Bye. See you later, Elzee.
Hello, you two. How's it going?
Oh, very well indeed. Just have to fit the lenses.
It's going to be the best telescope ever.
Good. Well, I've been helping in the kitchen. There's loads of food. Your mum's invited everyone to the comet party.
Great. I want to see what's going on in the kitchen. Is that all right, Grandpa?
Of course, Sue. I can manage here.
All right. Come on, Pop. Wow! Look at all this food.
Yes, we have a lot of people coming later.
Here, Zoo, you try. You just press on the dough.
I like the star shape.
With this one, you can make a moon.
Astronomers at Zebra Central confirm the comet will be here very soon, so look out for that. But now, another tune, and it's from the 50s. And still...
I want the comet to hurry up.
Not before the cookies are ready, I hope.
Just a few more minutes to wait for the next batch.
Oh, I'd better go and help Grandpa finish the telescope.
It would be awful to have all the food ready for the comet party and no telescope to view the comet.
All right. Come on, Puck. How's it going, Grandpa?
Oh, this is quite fiddly.
That's it.
Oh! Oh, no! I don't have another lens. I'm sorry, but it looks as though we won't have a telescope ready now in time for our party.
You know, I've got an old pair of broken binoculars in here somewhere. We could use the lens from those.
Oh, that's a great idea. Where are they?
Now that's a good question. They must be around here somewhere.
Ah, no, let's have a look. No, not there. How, oh, dear, no.
I think found them.
So you did. Well done, Zoo.
It's a smaller lens, so we'll need to use a thinner piece of pipe. This should do it. Now for the tricky bit. I don't want to break it. Thank you, Zoo. I think we're almost ready. Great!
Yes. Just need something to stand it on.
We can use that.
That camera tripod is exactly what we need. And this block of wood.
I can carry this.
Okay, Zoo. But be careful. This will make a good spot.
That's nice and sturdy.
This is cool.
Here you go, Zoo. I need to put this up here.
Okay. I'll take these, Nana.
Oh, thank you, Zoo.
Let me help with that. It's good.
Hey, save some for everyone else.
Just going to get the telescope and we're all set.
Better hurry. The comet won't wait.
I know. Won't be long now.
I don't know who's more excited, him or Zoo. Glad you like my special comet drink, Zoo. Looks like our guests have arrived.
Hi, Zoo. Hi, Zach. Hi, Mr. Zoe. Hi, Zoo. Hi, Elzee.
Hi, everyone. Come and have a comet drink.
Thanks, Zoo. Thanks. Here you are.
Oh, thank you, Zoo.
This is so tasty. Oh, I'm so excited. I just can't wait.
Yes, what a wonderful idea to have a comet party.
It was Nana's idea.
I'd like to say a big well done to Grandpa and Zoo for making this marvelous telescope.
Does it work? Can I see through it first? If Grandpa says it's okay.
Yes, that's okay.
Great, thanks. Wow, it really does work. Can I see too? It's really good. Wow, you can see everything. I know, I helped make it. Your turn, Zoo. Everything looks so close.
It's here. Look at its tail glow.
Wow. Can I have a look, please, Zinnia? Oh! Oh! It's amazing! Wow! It's the best thing ever. Come up, Nana. Come and see it through the telescope.
Oh, yes. It's just as beautiful as when I first saw it all those years ago.
3 cheers for the zebra comet. Hip, hip. Hooray! Hip, hip. Hooray! Hip, hip. Hooray!
Bees and wasps and snakes and frogs.
That's an interesting list, Elzee.
We had nature class today and learned all about creatures with black and yellow stripes.
The warning colours of nature.
I hope I don't meet any black and yellow stripy things. They might be dangerous. Oh, Zoo, you're being silly. But what does having black and white stripes mean?
That's a very good question, Zoo. And there's a very good reason for it.
What, Grandpa? Yes, tell us.
It's probably better if I show you.
What has the park got to do with black and white stripes, Grandpa?
Why, everything, Zoo.
Huh?
Look over there.
I can't see anything. Huh? Where's he gone? Grandpa?
Oh, don't worry, I'm still here. I'm looking right at you.
You were hiding.
It's called camouflage.
That's fun. Let me try. Close your eyes and I'll hide, Zoo. Ready? Boom! My turn! Oh no! Black and yellow stripy thing!
Zoo, it's time to go.
Oh no! I can't hide if I'm wearing bright clothes, Pock. I need stripy clothes. But I only have colourful clothes. I wonder. Mum?
In here, Bizoo.
Grandpa told us all about black and white stripes and hiding. Do I have any old clothes that I could make stripy?
What have you got to hide from, Bizoo?
It's just for fun.
Well, I was going to throw these out. They're a bit old and faded, but they still might fit you.
A big black stripe. When this is finished, Pock, I'll be perfectly camouflaged. And no black and yellow stripy thing will be able to find me. Let's see if it works, Pock. Mum! Dad!
Zoo, where are you?
Bizoo!
I'm sure he called us.
Here I am! I was camouflaged.
No wonder we couldn't see you.
Your new outfit definitely seems to work. The shops were very busy today, but I'm glad I went.
What did you buy?
Nana's been asking about a new blanket for her bed, so I got her this.
A black and yellow stripy thing.
Isn't it lovely? Will you take it up to her? I'm sure she'll love it.
Quick!
Zoo? What are you doing?
Just putting that black and yellow stripy thing away.
Was that my new blanket?
Yes, Nana, but you can't be too careful with black and yellow stripes.
Oh. Oh, that's lovely. How do I look?
Grandpa, there are lots of places in the park to practice camouflage.
Yes, we can see how well your outfit works.
Black and yellow stripy thing.
Zoo? What's wrong?
I don't feel like going to the park after all, Grandpa. Let's go.
That's odd. I wonder what's bothering him.
A giant bee! I'm a bumblebee!
What do you think of Zinnia's costume, Zoo?
She's just been to a fancy dress party.
And I won first prize, so I had to show you how wonderful I look. But you're black and yellow and stripy. Now I'm here, I want to play. I'll be Queen Bee and you can be my honey collector. Oh no! Yes, yes! Come back! I can see you! There's nowhere to hide! No! Got you! Go away! Shoo! Go away, Bumblebee! Make it go away, Zoo! But it's a black and yellow stripy thing! Help! Grandpa!
What's all this noise?
A bee chased us into the house! It wants to get me! It's jealous of my costume!
Oh, I think it just wants to get back outside.
Be careful, Grandpa!
That bumblebee was more scared of you two than you were of it. It only wanted to go on its way and find a flower.
Even though it's a black and yellow stripy thing?
If you leave nature alone, most of the time it won't hurt you. Even black and yellow stripy things.
So, Nana's new blanket isn't scary? And I shouldn't worry about yellow cars with black stripes?
Of course not.
And Zinnia's not dangerous dressed as a bee?
Well...
Oh, Grandpa!